We are here in Hyderabad, one of India's largest IT hubs. Here is where technology matters, and same thing goes with this vehicle. Tata की नई Hexa, which comes packed with a lot of technology. अब इसका launch due है sometime in January and we get a quick drive right now. How good is it? क्या इसे आपको consider करना चाहिए? We tell you in today's episode. Hexa की design काफ़ी हद तक crossover style है. If you look at the side profile, this is what it will tell you. But from the front, it does look a lot muscular, especially with that clamshell hood and the front humanity grille that reminds you that it's a Tata car. ये Tata की पहली crossover है which doesn't get those vertical tail lamps at the back. This one gets a smaller, more subtle looking tail lamps which makes the rear look much better and fresh in design. Tata Hexa में 3 rows हैं बैठने के लिए और पीछे boot भी है. However, if all the 7 seats are up, there's not much space left in the boot. और third row seat का access is from the second row. However, if you buy the 6-seater version, आपको seat fold का option नहीं मिलता in the second row. You'll have to make your way through between the 2 seats. अगर आप second row की बात करें, there's a good amount of space for the passengers. Rear seats normally are neglected in most of the cars. However, here good attention to detail has been paid. आपको rear AC vents है, not just on the bottom but even on the pillars. यहाँ तक कि third row passengers को भी AC vents मिलते हैं on the pillars. This makes it a lot more comfortable and practical usage. The second door is opening almost up to 90 degrees, which makes it easy to enter and exit the car. At the same time, if you think there's a lot of sunlight, you have the option of sun blinds too. Moving to the front row, this is where it's packed with complete technology. The instrument panel looks a lot more stylish and premium compared to any Tata car ever. In terms of design, it gets the nice chunky steering wheel that we have seen on other Tata cars. However, this one is leather wrapped. The instrument cluster too is all new and it gets some of the driver information system things that we all look for. The center console is basically made up of simple things. There's a nice touchscreen system at the center. इसको buttons भी दिए गए हैं for easy usage. It even gets maps. However, आपको maps सिर्फ ऐप पे मिलेंगे which is called Navi Map. इसमें reverse parking camera भी है and the overall touch and feel of materials is very good. The front row seats and even the second row seats, they are quite comfortable and have good bolstering too. Tata ने काफ़ी सारे plastics और panels पे soft touch का feel दिया है that actually makes the cabin feel a lot more premium. Hexa 2.2 liter diesel engine के साथ आता है which churns about 148 bhp of power and 400 Newton meters of torque. ये 2 transmissions के साथ available है. एक है 6-speed manual and the second is the 6-speed automatic. Tata की multi-drive technology is carried forward on the Hexa manual and automatic. Automatic में आपके पास sport and manual Tiptronic modes हैं, while manual gets 4 modes. One is auto, comfort, dynamic and rough road. This alters the performance depending on the terrain you're driving on. बात की जाए drivability की, the automatic is pretty smooth. It shifts smoothly without any jerks. Yes, there is a bit of lag if you need that sudden acceleration and even on downshifting. Else, the box is pretty smooth. In the sport mode, the performance is enhanced and even the throttle response is improved. But for daily driving, cruising in the city or on the highway, automatic काफ़ी comfortable है. जब आप एक गाड़ी खरीदते हो तब आप क्या देखते हो? क्वालिटी, डिज़ाइन, फीचर्स, रिलायबिलिटी, वैल्यू फॉर मनी. Hexa is one of the most stylish crossovers in its segment. इसके features भी one of the best in its class. At the same time, the quality is the best Tata has ever offered. Reliability की बात की जाए, so this 2.2 liter has been used for a lot of years and is now one of the most reliable mills around. बात की जाए value for money, for that there will be some more waiting. गाड़ी के प्राइसेस अनाउंस होंगे इन जनवरी 2017. However, 1st November से इसके bookings open है. If you like to book this car, please press below. We have started taking bookings for 5 cities on Motor Octane. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe this video, and yes, please comment if you have any questions. We'll answer them all. That's all we have for this episode.